Good morning, students. This is Miss Jessica Lau. Today is March the 5th, and we'll continue with Chapter 5. And let's check our homework from yesterday. Workbook page 7 to 8. So, question number 1 to 7. Here's the answer. And I mainly want to talk about question number 8 to 11. So the answers for the expressions are provided to you, so you can work with the problem this way. Try to calculate and then get the answers and then compare the answers of the two expressions. And yesterday I talked about number 8 and number 9, so today I'll talk about number 10 and 11. For question number 10, either you can calculate the two expressions and then you get the answer 909, so that means it will be equal on both sides, or we can actually look at the different parts of the expression. So both sides have 793, so we can ignore this. And then both sides have plus 227, so we can ignore that as well. And then we realize that both sides have minus 111, so that means both sides have the same numbers and then the same signs in front of them. It's just that the numbers are in different orders, so that means both expressions, they are equal. And for question 11, instead of having numbers, we're having pictures. And first we have a picture that looks like the sun to me, so we have this on both sides. So we'll ignore this for now. And then we do have the plus smiley face on both sides. So once again, we'll ignore that. And then we have minus a snowflake on both sides. So once again, it's just like question number 10. We have the same thing on both sides, and then we have the same signs in front of them, and so both expressions are equal. In question number 2, we have 392 pears originally, and then 147 were sold in the morning and 164 were sold in the afternoon. So we want to find out the number of pears that are left. So 392 minus 147 minus 164, and then the answer is 81. Question 13. There are 315 notebooks in the stationery shop, 350, and we have 134 fewer photo albums than notebooks. So P would be the number for photo albums, and there are 178 fewer diaries than photo albums. So D would be the number of diaries. So we are asked to find the number of diaries in the stationery shop. So we'll take 350 minus 134 and minus 178, and we will get 38, which is the number for D. And question 14. There are 152 magazines in the shop originally. 348 magazines are sent to the shop. So 348 are sent to the shop. That means in total right now we have 152 plus 348 in the shop. And then 206 are sold. So we'd like to know the number of magazines in the shop right now. So we'll take 152 plus 348 minus 206, and we'll get 294. Question 15. Vivian has $380, so $380 originally. After she buys a music box, so the music box costs $245. So this is the amount of money she would get after spending $245. And then mom gives her $120. So $120 here. And we are asked to find the amount of money she has right now. So this is the amount of money that she has left after purchasing the $245 music box, and then mom gives her another $120. So all together we add these two up, we have the money that she has right now. So the equation will be 380 minus 245 plus 120, and we have 255. Please turn to page 39, part B, sizes of squares and rectangles. And I want you to take out a ruler and try to measure the sizes for the 2D shapes in part A, B, C, and D of question number 1 before I show you the answer. So you try to place the ruler along the side that you want to measure, and then try to line up the red marking indicating 0 along with the vertical side on the left. And here you'll see that this side is actually 4 cm long. And please work out part B, C, and D on your own, and then I'll show you the answers in 2 seconds. Question number 2. Use a ruler to check whether all the angles in quadrilaterals A, B, C, and D above are right angles or not. So I've captured pictures from book 2A to help you to remember how to use the ruler to check the angles. And if the adjacent sizes of a 2D shape line up with the sizes of a ruler, that means this is a right angle. But then if the sizes of the 2D shape do not line up with the sizes of the ruler, then that means these two are not right angles. Question number 3. Use the information from question number 1 and 2 on page 39 to complete the table below. Put a check mark in the circle and fill in the blanks. So we'll look at quadrilateral A and B first. And we do have to look at the properties of the sizes and angle. And I'll flip back and forth with the slides to help you guys to fill out the table here. So for quadrilateral A and B, we do have 4 equal sizes. So all these 4 sizes, they are of the same length. So that means we can put a check mark here. And we do have 2 pairs of equal opposite sizes. This is one pair. And this is another pair. And so as quadrilateral B. So that means we also have 2 pairs of equal opposite sizes. And for both quadrilateral A and B, they have 4 right angles. So we'll put down 4. And for quadrilateral A and B, when they have properties of 4 equal sizes, 2 pairs of equal opposite sizes, and 4 right angles, we'll call them squares.